Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make free shipping in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just go to settings and now here click on shipping and delivery, and after that click on manage. And now here you can see I have already make free shipping in my country. So this is option is available for domestic. So here you can see my rate is 00. So if you type the 00 rate here, you can easily make free shipping. So now here in the rest of world, so I want to also make the free shipping for the rest of world. So in order to do this, just you have to click on edit rate and type here the 00. So as you can see, we have successfully make free shipping for domestic and the rest of world. So this is very easy to make free shipping in Shopify.